I'll remove the battery from both these terminals. Positive terminal has been connected. Now it's time to connect the negative one. The negative one has been connected. The voltage is set at 11.8 volts. Now I will switch on the main supply. But current is not showing. It means the power supply is not working, or there is an out here. Removing the wire, the voltage has been dropped. But current is not showing. When I connect this terminal, voltage improves. But current is not passing. I'll try to spark it. Use the ground terminal. There is no voltage. Any trouble with the current ammeter, you should continue to charge it, because the voltage is directly shown. It's better to wait for few hours and then try to spark it. Manufacturing date is 2014. 8 years battery life has been consumed. It will take about half an hour for 3 ampere, but I have kept it at 3.9 ampere. Even then I have to wait for more time, because battery has already been utilized for the full life. It must be an Excite battery branded in a different method. It costs about 1368 in Amazon, or 1150 also in Amazon, and more than 1368 in their official website. 35 minutes have been passed and now I am switching it off for the time being, because I am visiting the electronics computer market to get this Dell charger repaired. I will try to get this charger repaired, or at least try to find out any method to get a replacement from nearby shop. Otherwise I don't think it is possible to replace any component, but I have to buy fluorescent tubes from there. The electronics repair shop owner is not suggesting to get the component repaired or replaced, because the cost of the new one is just 550 rupees. And he told me that due to adhesive tape, a lot of time will be consumed. So I brought that fluorescent tube and two-way switch. What happened to the voltage meter? It is not showing now. It might have become faulty. So I will replace the fluorescent tubes here and this one also. When it was restarted, then voltage started to display again. Now it's time to replace the other one. Now I'm going to replace the fluorescent tube light. Let the sockets are properly aligned. Very cautious. You can see it didn't take about more than 20 seconds to replace that tube light also. Now I will replace this two-way switch which has been installed at the staircase. One of them is working correctly. The other one has been broken. After that I will remove the battery of the bike from charger, whether it has been fully charged or not. I will not take risk of keeping it overnight. Now I am about to replace the two-way switch. So I will point the torch towards the staircase and the fan has been switched off to avoid any kind of annoying voice in the background. I am ready to this subject, but at least I will be informing you. I don't think this modular switch will fit in it. It has not provided me the correct model because they are very annoying and irritating people. Most of the time they used to distract attention and behave as if all of these models are becoming obsolete without harming these local mosque demolition group supporters. I can't get any success or achievement in any way because it's part of their daily life to another secular people like us. And promoting mass hysteria about products which were never indigenously manufactured in India. When MT launched these switches during 90s, some of my posts are also related to the development of these kind of technologies. Moreover, nowadays electricians are charging more than 100, 200, 500 rupees also. Most of the remote controlled fans are available so easily. Let's try to replace it. Even if I have to remove, substitute dummy. But then I managed to explain these people the difference between quality products and mass hysteria, inferior quality. Once so after bringing the tester and unscrewing these three parts, I will let it install. Okay. So polarity of the end points are not so much relevant, but at least I should be careful about the live wire. Be careful to pass the wire through the slot. So as I was talking, I'm still not able to understand why these people try to distract or try to convince me that these products are becoming obsolete, even when they know that more and more companies are ready to come before international brands. And when they are providing examples of LNT, they should be aware of these facts. So what gain they possess, I'm not able to understand that also. So this one is a top position. I will keep it like that and pass the wire and insert it from the right side. Whether the red colored wires present in the endpoints possess current or not, or which one possess current at any particular moment depends on the position of the second two-way switch present in the at the ground floor or the first stair. Always remember you should detach the live wire during the end of the process, because tester is not working. Moreover, it will result in lesser risk. I have not compared the breadth of these switches, but I am sure these people hadn't provided me wrong product. At least there should be that kind of humanity that I have to spend so much petrol to reach the market area. And after all, I am providing promotion also through these kind of videos, which I have resisted in past 18 years. But now, when I am suffering so much losses just because of voltage fluctuations and other mass stereotype, promotion of imported products and inferior quality electronics, I find it very dutiful and justified. You can see the two-way switch has been started working, but the problem is that whether it will be detached to the modular cabinet or not, that is still unknown. Comparing the breadth of these products, but it costed about 61 rupees. It is not so much expensive also. And Panasonic had overtaken this kind of Indian brands, resulting in some kind of improvement and completion of the product. Nowadays, the package contains all the screws. Most of the time, there is no lack in product also. But I am not able to understand what kind of achievement that is placing to Indians. That should be criticized and not appreciated. I'm not able to detach this one, but I hope and I will press hard. I may be able to cross the threshold thrust of making that clip bend sufficient enough to be placed rightly inside that socket or groove. It's a kind of Grammy 1989 groovy kind of valve. So in the first insertion, it takes some time to understand. However, I don't think that switch will work. and I am removing this. What kind of switch they has given me? These kind of people are existing in this way. So I'm removing this substitute socket, then try to insert it afterwards if there is need of. You can change it afterwards also or insert any kind of altered product. I'm not able to understand why they perform these kind of acts with me. So we have to change cabinet only. It's better to tighten using I can also use araldite. That is also an alternative. The clips are totally different. ऊपर भी लगा दी, सारी जगह लगा दी, बटन रह गया, बटन रह गया बस। एरल निकाल के रखना, ये बटन में तो रखना। अरे फेंक रहा हूँ, 10 मिनट तो हुए हैं। एरल निकाल के रखना। क्या जली पड़ी है? जली क्या पड़ी है? मैं कह रहा हूँ एरल निकाल के रख दो जरा बाहर। अरे जो अब नए बटन आए हैं उनके साइज में फर्क है, इसलिए एरल लगा के छोड़ दूंगा तो सूख जाएगा आधे घंटे में। I'm trying to use MC also in place of araldite if it is possible. I will let it dry for a few minutes. MC is a better alternative for these kind of places where araldite can penetrate inside the components and damage it. The amount of money spent in petrol is more than the cost of the material, and these people understand. क्या बैटरी चार्ज हो रही है? बाहर रखा, अंदर का रखा? हाँ तो अभी चार्ज हो जाएगी तो लगा दूंगा उसको। बेड पे रखा है, दूर उस बेड को कौन यूज करता? to mix components of MC again and again. How can you imagine that even after spending the whole amount have to face these kind of troubles just because of annoying, unsecular, Moscow demolition group people keep on promoting the imported products and fake development in spite of concentrating on the product which the customer is demanding. It's all right. I'm not losing any kind of hope even after facing these kind of troubles. I'm not criticizing anyone, just saying that it is a part of mass hysteria. It should be transformed. And I explained to him also, for the sake of future generation, don't annoy customers about fake development. I try to understand the mass hysteria. If products are available, let them buy the original ones, whatever the customer is demanding. Don't try to distract them for new developments which are not available, which are not there. It's all right. The problem will arise when I will try to insert the dummy. I will try to resolve that also. At least for the time being, this problem has been resolved. It will take about half an hour for the answer to this. The basic structure is but so MCL has been placed, but even then the structure is not good. I'll try to this part is available or not. It's not being charged at all. I'm sure it has to be removed. When I increase the voltage, then only the current starts flowing. It means the final voltage should be more than the required one. Let's set it at 1.2. Current is reducing, it means the battery is being charged because it has been mentioned that 2.9 amperes it will take half an hour. It's 11:10 p.m. and the current has been reduced to 0.05 ampere. When I increase voltage to 14.2, even then current is 0.1 ampere. So I will shut it down and remove the connecting wires. Bit of spark. Screwdriver was kept here when I was tightening this modular switchboard. Now I will try to start that bike using the same battery. It is possible that it might have been slightly charged, but the chances are very remote. mostly about 15%. It is very simple process. Two of the screws have been tightened now. The supporting strip is being tightened. After complete inspection, the final bolt will be tightened using Tirani Everest, any kind of spanner. Now it's time to check the mode. The cell has been successfully ignited. Thanks for watching my broadcast. Please share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for all kind of information.